So, everyone are enjoying the class, right? Acupressure point and wellness. Anybody who willing to choose the path of wellness, they can use these acupressure points. It is similar as acupuncture also. So acupuncture, both are have the same map of points. So if you want to use this in your daily routine, acupressure is harmless. Follow the guidelines, understand its use and improvise yourself and use it further for your family members, for yourself, and you could live a healthy life. So this is most important lecture is coming. This you have to use it further to measure the points. So you really have to understand this first. Okay? So this is 6 acupressure points which you could see, which works distally but effectively. But before that, you need to understand the principle of measuring suns. What is the meaning of sun? Your finger breadth, right? 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, 4 finger. You could see the group of fingers has been mentioned. So let's understand this sun and let's understand how to use personally, because when we using this measurement should be related to the person to whom we are going to treat. So let's see. So there is nothing to worry about the name of these points. You really have to understand the uses of these points, and you should start this on your body first. Let's see what is LU7. LU means it's related to the organ. So it is the name of organ. Your organ lungs is a short form of LU. So we are using this short form or short name here, LU7. If you could see the Li4, what is Li4? 4 is the number of that point, a series. But Li means what? Li means large intestine. Where is that large intestine? Where is that lung organ? So for that, you really have to understand anatomically where it has been situated. So you should read anatomy first. So it is not like something you have to operate a person, but you should know where is the heart, where is the lungs, where is the pericardium, where is the stomach, where is the urinary bladder, and where is the spleen. So it is the general knowledge. So everybody should know this. So let's understand what is PC6. PC means pericardium. The cover of your heart is known as a pericardium. So this is the channel. Pericardium is situated on our body. So its number is PC6. It means pericardium 6. ST36. What is ST stand for? ST means stomach. So this is the most important point for anybody. So this point is really useful. Stomach 36. Another point is UB40. What is UB stand for? U means urinary, B means bladder, and 40 is the number of that point. Okay? What is SP6? SP6 means what? SP means spleen. Where is the spleen? What are the function of spleen? If you want to study this, you really have to go through my video of the functions of these organs, so you could understand this. Okay, so we are going to understand major organs and their acupressure points. How we shall press this point. This is most important chapter. You really have to understand this. Press, hold, circular motion. These 3 words you really have to fix in your brain. Okay, let's understand this. So, there are two types of movements, which is centripetal and centrifugal. When you press the point and hold and movement it in circular motion, your thumb or finger or jimmy is your tool. Okay, when you press this point in circular motion towards the point, suppose if you are pressing the point at pericardium 6, circular motion towards the point, that is centripetal. I hope you got understand this. Let's understand centrifugal movement. When you give pressure in circular motion but away from that point, it is known as centrifugal. Now we will see how to give pressure to these 6 points. Let's understand one by one.